Redmi recently expanded its product offering to include a fitness tracker recently with the launch of the Redmi Band. The Band isn't any spectacular but is a cheap fitness tracker with several features. The Redmi Band adopts a design different from the Mi Band models. Instead of a curved OLED screen, it features a flat AMOLED display which from the hands-on/unboxing images doesn't look bad. The Band equally comes in 4 attractive colors, namely, black, blue, red and brown. The Redmi Band features a rectangular-shaped 0.95-inch color AMOLED display with a 2.5D tempered glass on top to prevent the screen from scratches. The entire screen is touch-sensitive. The Redmi Smart Band also comes with removable rubber straps. The strap is soft and made from skin-friendly material which makes it comfortable to wear for a longer duration. The band is designed in such a way that the charging port is embedded inside the straps with a charging icon embossed on the strap where it is located. It charges via a USB port and as such, you can charge it on a laptop or any other device with a USB port. The band comes in a colorful retail box similar to the one the Mi Band 4 comes in. The retail box contains only the Smart Band and a user manual. For features, the Redmi Band comes with Bluetooth 5.0 BLE which enables it to connect with smartphones. The Smart Band presents with features such as heart rate monitor, 5 sports modes, pedometer, alarm, sedentary alert, call and SMS notifications. The band can conveniently pair with any smartphone running Android 4.4 or above and iOS 9.0 or higher. Most of all, it boasts of 14 days of battery life. You'll have to pay just $14 for the Redmi Band, but that's if you are in China. However, it is available to pre-order outside China for $19.99 on JustUp. So friends, expected if you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I need your love and support. I will continue to bring you such exciting technology videos every day. Thank you.